We're going to take a few seconds to take a look at all of the different controls we have used to build our Maze Craze timer tutorial. So I'm going to start with one window. As you can see, I have one window that holds all of the controls for this application. The controls that I have added are, first off, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 image wells. And these image wells are located down at the bottom center of the screen. And those image wells contain 4 different images. And those images are left, right, down, and up pictures. So I also have a background image on this window, and that background image, as you can clearly see, is my maze. I have sized my maze to be 500 by 500, and my window is 500 wide by 650 tall, and that leaves me some space at the bottom of my window. And for that space, I have changed my background color to a purplish blue. And to see that color show up, you have to make sure you have your custom color background feature turned to on. So there's my 4 image wells, my background image, my window. I have also included an oval. And that oval was named Puck, and that's simply going to be the object that I move around the maze. And the key to this whole activity is the 4 timers that I have created along the bottom. And those timers are called down, up, right, and left timer. And those are simply going to be turned on and off when I mouse over these image wells, and the appropriate timer will execute its programmed action over and over at the set intervals. A little bit more on that in just a minute when we look at the coding part of this. So what you see here on the side is all of the contents of my program. Any controls that have coding within them, I will open this up and let you see that also. So each timer has an action. Up timer action, right timer action, left timer action, and down timer action. And each one of my images, my image wells, also has 2 little pieces of code. One bit of code is executed when I mouse over or mouse enter, and the other bit of code is activated when I mouse exit. So my mouse going over the image well activates one code, my mouse exiting that image well activates another code. And again, all the details of that will be shown to you in the next tutorial in programming, how to make it all work. All right, so you can take some time, get your maze set up. Obviously, you can set yours up whatever way you see fit in terms of how it looks, but you do need the basic controls to make your maze function properly. All right, give that a shot, and when you're ready, you can move on to the coding video.